Can you push either of these nails down for me? Just make one of them tip over. Take your time. Just pick one of the nails and then push it over with your finger. Are you sitting over there somewhere in front of me? Are you moving around in here? Come on, can you just make one of those nails fall over? It doesn't matter which one. Just knock it over.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Did you make that noise? How did you do that? Could you please knock one of these nails over for me? Please.
That noise freaked me out.
I know. It sounded like some kind of fucking roar or something. Was that the roar of an evil spirit? Is there anything evil living on this property? Is it just you here? Are you still in here with us? Are you hiding from something in here? Are you hiding from someone mean? Are you hiding because you're scared of people? Could you try knocking one of these nails over for me?
Were you trying to scare us when you roared?
Was that you making that noise? Were you trying to get us to hear you? Was that something else that made that noise? Was that another spirit?
An animal spirit?
Was it the spirit of some animal? Was it a bear? Was it a demon spirit? Can you move this nail right here, the one standing up? Can you push it over? Are you unable to move these objects?
Did you ever use that old wash tub over there? Did someone in your family use that?
Did you ever hide things in here when you were a child? Do you think it's funny when someone farts? Do spirits fart?